In the morning, as the sun came up, the birds went out to have their breakfast. With their good eyes, the birds saw the little piece of the beautiful voice on the ground. They carefully picked up the pieces. They didn't leave one piece of the beautiful voice behind. That afternoon, the animals finally woke up. They ran to get the pieces of Bluster's voice, but all they found there was broken glass. They searched and searched, but there were no pieces of the voice. Then suddenly they heard a beautiful song coming from the trees. Bluster's voice was coming from the trees. They looked up and saw the birds singing. And to this day, the birds sing with Bluster's beautiful voice. And Bluster and all the other frogs can only say quack, quack,